In the brutal theater of nature, survival isn't about who's the biggest or the fastest. It's about who refuses to die. From the crushing depths of the ocean to the frozen wastelands of the poles, some animals have evolved to withstand conditions that would destroy almost any other life form. These are the 7 animals that can survive anything. Let's start with one of the most invincible beings ever discovered, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Barely visible under a microscope, this microscopic creature can survive boiling heat, freezing cold, radiation, dehydration, and even the vacuum of outer space. Scientists once exposed them to space for 10 days. No oxygen, no pressure, deadly radiation. And when they were brought back to Earth, the tardigrades simply woke up, stretched, and went about their lives as if nothing happened. Their bodies produce a special protein that acts like a shield, locking their DNA in a protective cocoon while the outside world tries to kill them. This is life stripped to its purest form, stubborn, silent, and unbreakable. Next up, the cockroach, humanity's eternal roommate and one of evolution's greatest survivors. Cockroaches have been around for more than 300 million years, and for good reason. They can live without their heads for up to a week, survive a month without food, and tolerate levels of radiation that would kill a human many times over. Even after nuclear tests, roaches were some of the few creatures still crawling among the ruins. Their secret lies in their primitive but efficient physiology, which keeps their organs running on autopilot even after catastrophic injury. When the world ends, don't be surprised if the last thing crawling on Earth is a cockroach. Then there's the axolotl, the smiling salamander of Mexico's lakes. While it looks cute, it hides a power that borders on science fiction: regeneration. The axolotl can regrow entire limbs, parts of its brain, and even sections of its spinal cord without any scarring. Scientists have cut their limbs off dozens of times, and every time the creature calmly grows them back, identical to the original. Its cells can revert to a stem-like state, rebuilding tissue from scratch. In the world of biology, the axolotl is living proof that perfection doesn't always mean strength. Sometimes, it means healing. Deep below the ocean floor, we find a survivor of pressure and darkness, the Pompeii worm. Living near hydrothermal vents, where temperatures exceed 80 degrees Celsius, this worm thrives in an environment that would instantly kill most animals. Its skin is coated in heat-resistant bacteria, acting like biological armor. Scientists have discovered that these bacteria feed on the worm's secretions while protecting it from the boiling water, a perfect partnership between life forms that shouldn't even exist. Down in that hellish landscape, the Pompeii worm thrives where fire meets water, turning impossibility into routine. On land, the wood frog defies winter itself. When temperatures plummet, it literally freezes solid. Its heart stops beating, its blood turns to ice, and it enters a suspended state where life and death blur together. Then, when spring returns, the frog thaws out and hops away as if resurrected from the dead. The secret lies in special sugars in its bloodstream that prevent its cells from bursting when frozen. In a world that punishes weakness, the wood frog survives by embracing the cold. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, takes survival even further. When threatened, it can reverse its own aging process. It transforms its adult cells back into a juvenile state and starts its life over again, potentially forever. Scientists have watched it complete this cycle multiple times, never truly dying. And then there's the crocodile, the ancient survivor that has been around for over 200 million years. It has outlived dinosaurs, ice ages, and mass extinctions. With its slow metabolism and armored body, it can go months without eating and can even lower its heart rate to survive in oxygen-deprived waters. Crocodiles can sense the faintest vibrations in water through specialized receptors, making them living sonar predators. Their patience is unmatched. They wait motionless for hours, conserving every ounce of energy until the perfect moment to strike. When everything else collapses, the crocodile endures by doing nothing at all. But there's one more survivor that deserves mention: the Antarctic blackfin icefish. It lives in water so cold it would freeze human blood in seconds, yet it thrives without hemoglobin, the very molecule that carries oxygen in most animals. Its clear blood moves slowly but efficiently through its veins, adapted to a world of permanent darkness and freezing currents. This ghost-like fish shows that even when life's rules are rewritten, nature finds a loophole. From the microscopic to the monstrous, from the frozen poles to the fiery vents of the seafloor, these animals prove that life is relentless. They endure fire, ice, vacuum, and death itself. When the earth burns or freezes, when radiation poisons the sky, or the seas vanish into steam, these survivors will still be here, waiting, breathing, enduring. In the end, survival isn't about power or speed. It's about one thing: refusing to give up, no matter what the universe throws at you.